Did you know you can like pages in some groups as your Facebook business page? In today's tutorial, we are going to cover how to follow pages as your Facebook business page. It is a simple process. You just have to do a couple steps. To get started, have your Facebook business page opened. Go to the search bar and type in a business name you want to follow. If there are multiple names of the same business, be sure to click on the correct one. Don't click on the thumbs up like button. Click on the name of the business. Clicking on the thumbs up at this point will like it as your personal profile. Once there, click on the Extra Items menu, the three dots next to the Share button. A drop-down list will open. Click on Like as your page. Another window will open, and it will either have the name of your page in the window, or if you have multiple pages, you will need to select the appropriate page you want to use to be the page follower. Click on the drop-down arrow, select your appropriate page, then click the Submit button. A window will confirm you are following the page. Now you can go back to your page and see that it is a page under the Liked by this page widget. Now you know how to follow a page as your page. Now, go use this to your business's benefit. You see? Another simple lesson.